So in this figure, I can see the red cyclic quadrilateral and the blue cyclic quadrilateral that I have marked. Now see, in the red cyclic quadrilateral, which one is the exterior angle? This is an exterior angle, right? All of you can see clearly or not? Yes, tell me fast. Why no voices?
Yes, sir.
You can see clearly from this figure only. I don't need to draw because this is a little difficult
Yes,
to draw.
sir.
Okay, so it will take time to draw actually. So this is an exterior angle. It must be equal to interior opposite angle. And which one is the interior opposite angle? This is the interior angle, and therefore this must be the interior opposite angle. So this must be 80 degree, because in a cyclic quadrilateral, in the blue cyclic quadrilateral, not in the blue, the red cyclic quadrilateral, the exterior angle must be equal to interior opposite angle. Now consider the red cyclic quadrilateral once again, the same one. If you see the 84-degree angle there, that 84-degree angle is interior opposite to which exterior angle? It is interior opposite to this angle. So this is 84-degree, right? So therefore, what should be the other angles? What should be the unknown angles? QBC. If you see, QBC is just opposite to 80 degree, and you know that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. The sum is equal to 180 degree. So this angle must be 180 minus 80, which is 100. Similarly, this 84 degree, the one that I have written in green, this 84 degree in the blue cyclic quadrilateral, and this angle, they are opposite to each other. So therefore, this must be 180 minus 84, and this must be 96. So that is what these two angles are. So QBC is this 100 and BCP is 96. Okay. So I won't write this. I hope this is clear. Anyone who could not understand, I'll just touch upon it once again. Okay. We look at the next one. Now this one, let me just draw this one. This one won't take much time. Okay, so these two are straight lines. Yes, these two are straight lines. Okay, and what are the angles given? This angle is given to you as Z, and this is going out of the screen somewhat. Okay, fine. This angle is given to you as X. This angle is given to you as Y. This is D, C, and this point given to you as P, I think. So AB, E, XY, and you have here the angle given here is Z. Okay. And these two angles are X and Y. It is also given to you that X is to Y is to Z is 3 is to 4 is to 5. So clearly, if the ratios are given, that means you can take X is equal to 3K, Y is equal to 4K, and Z is equal to 5K. You can take because the ratios are given. Now the question is how to find out X, Y, and Z. Now, if you see in this figure, consider this triangle BCE, this triangle. If you see X and Y are two interior opposite angles. To which exterior angle? This angle, this one. So this in the red triangle that I have marked, this angle must be sum of two interior opposite angles. So this angle must be X plus Y. Yes, right or wrong? Any question here? Or anyone who could not understand?
Sir, can you repeat once?
If you look at the red triangle, in the red triangle, you have X and Y as two interior opposite angles. To which exterior angle? This angle that I have marked in black. This is the exterior angle of this red triangle. And what are two interior
Yes.
opposite angles? X and Y. So this angle must be equal to X plus Y, because you know that in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Fine. Now we have got this angle. Next, what you see is that this angle X and this angle here must be equal. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
They are vertically opposite
Yes, sir.
angles. Okay, so these two angles I have found out. Now what you see, you consider this big triangle. Now this time you consider this triangle DCP, this one. This triangle DCP. If you look at this triangle, then X and Z are two interior angles, and these two interior angles are opposite to which exterior angle? They're opposite to which exterior angle? This one, right? So therefore this angle must be equal to X plus Z. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because you know that in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So this must be equal to X plus Z, sum of two interior opposite angles. So now, once I have done this, now you see that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, and D. They are both all on the circle. So the quadrilateral that is formed is a cyclic quadrilateral. And you know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles are supplementary. So in this case, the sum of these two angles must be equal to 180 degree. That means 2x plus y plus z must be equal to 180. Now you put the values. You have taken x is equal to 3k, y is equal to 4k, z is equal to 5k. You put x is equal to 3k, y is equal to 4k, and z is equal to 5k, 180. So now from here you can solve for k. So you're getting k is equal to what? You're getting k is equal to 18 here, 12 you're getting. Okay, so once you solve this equation, you get k is equal to 12. Now put it here. You can find out the value of x, y, and z. Therefore, x is equal to 3k. 3 into 12, 36. Y is equal to 4k. 4 into 12, 48. And z is equal to 5k. 5 into 12, 60 degree. Okay. We have found out the value of x, y, and z. So what are the three things that I have utilized here? In the red triangle, you see what I have utilized is that exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. In the green triangle, this long triangle that is there, I have again utilized the fact that exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles. Now, once I have utilized this fact and I've got these two angles, x plus y and x plus z, what I see is that these two angles are actually the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. And therefore, their sum must be supplementary, equal to 180 degree. And therefore, by solving, putting the value of x, since the ratio of x, y, and z was given, I found out the value of the constant k, and I could find out x, y, and z. Okay, so that is what I'm not writing the full, because see, I've written so much that now you must have got used to my way of writing. Okay, and this is the way actually you write in your exam. Okay, I have also already given you your notes also, so that is why I don't feel that for each and every problem I should you know write the statements once again, because the statements are already written. Now, any questions based on this problem?
No, sir.
You can ask, no problem.
No, sir, I understood.
Okay.
No, sir.
Shadia, you're weak in geometry, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You're weak in geometry, no?
Sir, maybe.
You don't like geometry, no? Okay, Aniket, this time I'll give you a chance, okay? But I'll give you a tough question.
Why is it tough?
Because it seems that you have been doing circles, that's why. Where's Kaushik? Where's Kaushik? Okay, this is your figure, okay? In the figure given below, it is that O is the center of the circle. Also, BAD is given to be 75 degree, which I have marked. I already marked in the question also. And BC is equal to CD. So these two chords are given to be equal. Chord BC is equal to chord CD. The first question is find angle BOD. So which angle we need to find? We need to find this one. So BOD. BOD, if you see, this angle is angle at the center subtended by this arc BD, and it must be double the angle subtended on the remaining part of the circle. On the remaining part of the circle, which angle you have? 75 degree angle. So therefore, this angle BOD must be 75 into 2, 150 degrees. Okay. Anyone who could not understand? So this angle is, we have found this angle to be 150. This is done, first part. Next question is BCD. BCD means this angle. This one. How do you find out BCD? How do you find out BCD? Aniket, you will not answer. Okay.
So
Suchitra,
I
you
will
tell
say.
me.
I'll say.
Suchitra,
I
you
will
tell me.
say.
Wait.
Sir.
Suchitra, you tell me.
Sir, may I try?
Who?
Sir,
Shivang. No,
Shivang.
Shivang, you will not try. You have not been regular in my class. You will not try. You do your studies, whatever you do, but you will not try for the time being. Prove yourself by being regular first. Okay. So Chitrak, if you can hear me, can you tell me? Akshat, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Try. How will you find out the red angle? Try. No problem.
Sir, BOCD are alternate angles.
Not alternate angles. Okay, fine. No problem. Pass to someone else. Okay, Apurva, you tell me.
So
Hmm.
the BCD will be 180 minus 75
Why?
because they're opposite to each other.
Which cyclic quadrilateral you recognized out of the blues?
देख एक बार BTS की fan. देख so
Tell me. Which cyclic quadrilateral you recognized? Tell me the name of the cyclic quadrilateral.
A B C D.
A, B, C, D. Exactly. Okay, so this is 180 minus 75. And this should be what, 95.
Yes, sir, 95.
Okay, so this is now 95. So this angle we have found as 95. Very good, Apurva. You deserve the 63 you got, or maybe more.
Sir, no, I don't deserve that.
Sir,
63. I
not
want to
95, it will be
mistake.
105.
180 minus 75 is 105.
No, 95.
105.
105. Okay, fine. 105 then.
How?
No, sir, 95.
95. I'm
Yes,
not good
sir,
at
95
subtraction.
only.
Yes, sir, 95.
180 minus 75 is 105. Is 105. Yes, it should be 105. Fine, 105 it is. Next angle BOC. I've got only 2 minutes left, so let me just finish this BOC business. BOC. Should I try it today? Fine, I'll try. I'll do this tomorrow. Stop here.